Hey Wendy's, you guys voted. We're turning the SpongeBob Krabby Patty collab into sushi today. Hey Sushi family, welcome to another episode of
Turning fast food into sushi.
And today we're turning Wendy's SpongeBob SquarePants Krabby Patty into sushi today. Alright, this is the Krabby Patty.
Oh, the bun looks so fluffy.
I know, but it didn't give us any like SpongeBob material. It's like it just came in the Wendy's wrapper.
I know. And they gave us so little sauce.
That's the secret Krabby sauce.
I know, but it looks like they gave a lot of sauce. But
isn't this the secret sauce that like, who's that little...
Oh, Plankton?
Yeah, he keeps
No,
it in
he
his
tries
vault.
to steal like the entire recipe.
Ew, did you wash your hands?
Yeah. Okay,
Even Daddy washes hands?
of course I do.
No,
What do you mean?
I didn't see him wash his hands.
Okay, that's a secret sauce right there. Oh, that's
Oh.
secret sauce.
Yeah, they gave too little. Oh.
Okay, so I'm making that and folding the bun so I can make that into sushi.
You're cutting it right now?
This is gonna be the rice.
Oh!
But why are you cutting it?
So it's in the shape of a sushi rice.
I get it now.
How did you keep it flat?
I squished it. Okay, so I'm chopping up some lettuce.
Okay.
This is gonna be like the garnish on top of the sushi. And chopping up some of the tomatoes.
I don't like tomatoes on my burger.
It's okay, because you can choose if you want to eat the ones with tomatoes or not.
Yeah.
This is the onions. Wait, do you know the layers of the Krabby Patty burgers?
Mustard. Wait.
I don't think there's mustard in Krabby Patty.
No, there is. It was like some what is it? One of the episodes. It said bun, pickle, lettuce, extra onions or something.
Yeah.
I don't remember, but it was something like that. Yeah.
Oh, there's the spread. So I chopped off all my ingredients so I can use it to make my sushi. There's the little fluffy rice that I'm gonna use. So I got the seaweed and I wrapped the beef patty around it. So it looks like,
That actually looks really good.
yeah, it looks tasty. Look at that French fry
I don't
sushi.
like the nori though.
You know, it looks like Wagyu. From far away, it looks like Wagyu sushi with like...
No.
Yeah, that's a pickle garnish. Hey, did you know they did the collab because it's the 25th year of SpongeBob?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Oh.
It said on the poster.
Oh. Now I can't say now you know. So this one's gonna have lettuce. Oh yeah, I got the spoon so I can
But
dab
they put
some sauce
so
on it.
little sauce on that burger. It's like...
Yeah, I have a little beef with Wendy's because they didn't give us the SpongeBob like box. They didn't give us the wrapper, and the French fries came in its normal. It just looks like a normal. Oh, the gold treatment. Why are we giving Wendy's a gold treatment?
I know, they didn't
just
put it in
rugged
a
us.
box.
Yeah, I know.
Did you just say they rugged them?
Yeah, look at the wrapper. It's just Wendy's. Like if I just gave this to you as a Krabby Patty collab, you'll be like, no, this is just a regular Wendy's burger.
No.
But anyways, thank you Wendy's for letting us make your Wendy's Krabby Patty collab into sushi.
I think you mean no thank you, Wendy's.
Oh, no thank you Wendy's. So if you're watching this, tag Wendy's so they know they have a disgruntled customer.
You're
2.
dissatisfied.
Yes. But look how beautiful that looks. It looks like premium omakase sushi with gold flakes on it. Even the French fry sushi has gold flakes.
My hair is so messed up.
Why is your hair sticking up?
I don't know.
8-piece Wendy's SpongeBob SquarePants Krabby Patty sushi set. The first one, it has pickles, lettuce, and gold flakes. Second one has pickles, lettuce, and sauce and gold flakes. Third one has tomatoes. Fourth one has tomatoes. Sixth one, fifth one has onions, next one has an onion, and you have your last dessert. Into sushi.
Oh my god.
Bloopers.
Into this.
We want you to vote on the next fast food restaurant you want us to turn into sushi next. Between Burger King, Adam's Family, Chipotle,
Chick-fil-A and In-N-Out.
make sure to vote.
And please like and subscribe.
Alright, and this is SpongeBob Krabby Patty
Yep.
collab made into sushi. Which one do you want to try?
I'll try this one first.
Go ahead. That looks good.
Gold flakes.
Yeah.
Okay. I would rate this a solid 9 out of 10.